All right, time for the view to be created. We ain't gonna be doing nothing much. Create view here. MVC view. Click on that. Everything's still according to plan. Don't worry. Always use shuttle again. Remember, I copied it before, so yeah, it's still in my memory, in my RAM. PC RAM. I'm gonna just use that scaffold. Right, and then when you're done, we have our view. Time to code it. First thing you know, let's start with ads models. No capital letters, it's a small letter M. Add models. Let's add model. Then we're gonna use our little name here, which is companies. So yeah, we're gonna use companies. After using companies, we're gonna say dots models. Models with big letter M, and then it's gonna be dots name company. Let's say using HTML dots begin form. Alright, gonna use shuttle. No, I'm just gonna, I don't know, it's just more safe if I'm copying and pasting, then I can't really like make an error on the writings and things, you know. Then it's gonna be form method.post. So that's just gonna say div. Alright, then after making our div, it's time to put in the rule. Gonna say enter the customer name. Alright, we move. After that, we're gonna just say we're gonna do a few more other things. This little guy here, then adds HTML editor for, put a bracket in that, and equals to this guy here, and then it's gonna be like dots, and it's gonna be like last name, all the crazy shit. It's just gonna be lumping it all up together here. Let's go. And it's div again. A dove div. Let's go. It's gonna be days hide. Days hide. Days hide all. We're gonna input 2 here, so the client is also gonna input this one, editor 4. Oh yeah. Take it. HTML dot 4. Then here it's gonna be like model. You know what I'm saying? Model again. Dot. Days hired. You know what I like about code? It never really like objects what you want, as long as you know the basic principles, which is what I teach on my channel. So there were some videos I uploaded before. I'm sure I'm gonna link them in the description below. You should go check them out. They talk about like the very fundamental basics of coding. If you know those videos, like, you are golden for life. Type of shit. Let's just look at me right now. I'm coding this thing right at the top of my head. Okay, it's gonna be days highest rent, okay, price. Yeah. I just gonna take rental. Professional. Huh? So, yeah. After that, now we're gonna make mount. Say mount is our HTML display for oh kanjani emhlabeni. As I feel sorry for those overseas viewers who are gonna be watching, it's gonna be like, hell, this guy even staying at this. What is this thing? So this is the advantage of using like program like this, using it. Like you can use JetWriter, but JetWriter usually does not provide you these features to provide you with, or some other code. But VS Code usually provides you with features like this one. But okay, SQL app in that the VAT amount is at HTML display for dot okay, it's gonna be VATs. On the VATs. All right, next thing after the VATs, we're gonna have total amount used. And that's there. Total amount due. That's HTML. Display for. Do I? Hey. About to finish. I'm telling you right now. About to finish. Total due. Right on top. Okay, but alright, let's separate this a bit. Gonna be out here. Put it use more functional. Yes. It's a line break. We're breaking the line and making the code more readable. Right, so R again. Right after this, we're gonna add another line breaker here. Okay, now then we're gonna have to make another div. Inputs. Right after adding this input, it's gonna be you can get tired inside. It's going to like it's and we're gonna have value. Value is gonna be calculate. Yeah, and we have successfully built our application. Not take that long, did it now? So we're gonna hit run right now, and after we do, we should get a little bit of elaborated results here and there. All right, so our project is up and running, and this is like the results we get. So customer name is just put our name in there. So as usual, not much. We hired it for like 54 days. Rental price is like $100 per day. Amount due is gonna be what? 5,400. VAT amount is 810, and amount due, total amount due is 6,210. So that's the amount we'll pay. So if you like my video,